take a train, steal a car.
I knew she wouldn't let me out here alone too long.
Grab a star, come back to me.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Eydie Gormé. On a mule, in a jet, with your hair in a net, in a towel wringing wet, I don't care. This is where we should be. From the hills, from the shore, ride the wind to my door. Turn the highway to dust. Break the law if you must. Move the world only just. Come back to me.
Blast your heart. Hear me call. Must I fight? City Hall. Here and now. Damn it all. Come back to me.
What on earth must I do? Scream and yell. Till I'm blue.
It's good for you.
Curse your soul.
When will you
come back to me? Have you gone to the moon, or the corner saloon, or the racket-a-roon? I don't care. This is where we should be.
In a crate, in a truck,
on a horse, on a truck, in a Rolls or an old covered van,
wrapped in ermine or mink or saran.
Any way that you can, come back to me. Come back to me. Come back to boobity-doo-doo-doo, boobity-doo-doo-doo. Come back to me. Hallelujah, sing a song, hallelujah, we'll follow along with a simple word, a single word. We bless the sky, the tree, the bird, and we fill our hearts with song, hallelujah, hallelujah. Sounds of love,
hallelujah. The sunshine above, hallelujah.
The bells will go ringing, yes, ringing from dawn to night. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hand in hand, hand in hand. Hallelujah, all over the land, hallelujah, hallelujah. Let's try from the start and sing it with all our heart. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Let's try from the start and sing it with all our heart.
Did he need a lighter touch? Was I soft or was I tough? Did I give enough? Did I give too much? At the moment that he needed me, did I ever turn away? Would I be there when he called? If he walked into my life today? Were his days a little dull? Were his nights a little wild? Did I overstate my plan? Did I stress the man and forget the child? And there must have been a million things that my heart forgot to say. Would I think of one or two if he walked into my life today? Should I blame the times I pampered him, or blame the times I bossed him? What a shame. I never really found the boy before I lost him. Were the years a little fast? Was his world a little free? Was there too much of a crowd, all too lush and loud, and not enough of me to last myself my whole life long? What went wrong along the way? Would I make the same mistakes if he walked into my life